Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y squared. So we know that we have 1 over y dy over y squared dx. This is about Bernoulli's equations. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So we see that we don't have negative sign in here. So I will put the negative go to the left. So this one we change by v. This one we change by this one. Next, we divide both sides by negative s. Next, we have v, and first the derivative of v. This is about linear differential equation. So I will use about integrating factor. So that should be about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative number 3 over s next to v. This is for integrating factor. And this one we have negative number 3 f and s. Later that negative number 3 go inside about natural law in here. So this one we have s to the power of negative number 3. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have number 3s to the power of negative number 4. This one we have s to the power of negative number 2. Later that we need to put the integral for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first the derivative of y equals to first the derivative of a multiplied by b plus first the derivative of b multiplied by a. So we have first the derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first the derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one we have vs to the power of negative number 3. The integration of this one we have 1 over s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.